Hello?
Yes.
Hi, is Mr. Khan there?
Yeah, how can I help you?
Hi, Mr. Khan. This is RJ Bates. I was calling you about your property there on Blackberry Street. You're looking to sell that property, right?
Yeah,
Awesome. How much were you looking to get for it?
around 35,
25.
35, 35.
35.
Yeah.
I liked it better when I thought you said 25.
Yeah, everyone wishes that.
All right. So I think you told someone on my team earlier today that it needs quite a bit of work, right?
Yes, it is work, definitely.
Okay. Is it a tear down or is it something that can be rehabbed?
It can be rehabbed. Actually, inside walls and all those things have to be redone. And I don't have time for that right now.
Gotcha. How much do you think, like dollars and cents wise, I would have to put into the property to get it fixed?
Well, if I was doing it, it was not more than 25,000, but I don't have it right now. My manpower is busy as space. I mean, this is getting some cheap Mexicans.
Gotcha.
They were doing all the job, but things change and other parties take over.
Gotcha. It's like 25, 30,000, something like that.
I don't know if you're subletting it, then it could be a little more. I don't know how you want to handle it.
Right. How did you come up with the asking price of 35,000?
Yeah, because if I have to spend say 5,000 on that, so it will be around total will be around 60,000, and the market value will be the finished one right now, and it is going anywhere between 110 to 125. So I have to have some profit, but I'm busy in other commercial properties, so that's why I don't have time right now.
Gotcha. So you're thinking completely fixed up. I'm worth 120, and then I buy it from you for 35. I put 30 into it. I'm all in at 65, and it's worth 120 fixed up.
Correct. We have to have some profit.
Right.
Yeah.
Sounds accurate. Let me see here. The only thing I'm a little bit worried about just looking at this Google Street View, but it's from March of 2022. Have you done any work to it or since 2022?
No, I've not done any work to it. I didn't get time because I'm busy on some other commercial properties, so which is more lucrative at the moment for me.
It looks pretty rough.
Yeah, it's rough, but again, if it's 100, 120, 120, it's rough there, and usually brings a rental value also.
Yeah, I'm just more worried about the amount of repairs that we need to do. I agree with the 120. I'm just more.
Yeah, that's why I'm discounting it all the way, because if you have to put some time, some effort, then one has to make some profit. I mean, we don't work for free.
Yeah. Let me see. How many square feet is it?
That's a tough question. I have no idea of the top of my head.
Huh.
Maybe 11 or 1,200, not more than that.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
About 1,200, so that's why, I said it will go according to the area. I will have to go for 120.
1,200 square feet. Okay.
But if the good neighborhood, the same thing could go for 180.
All right. Mr. Khan, I want to do a deal here. However, I don't know that I'm going to be able to get to 35. Do you have any wiggle there?
Yeah, obviously that's my asking price, and then you make your offer, then we negotiate and in the business, then we share it out with the. It's not a business if there is no negotiation.
Think I would think I'm feeling more like 20.
Oh, that's way low. That's way low.
Well, it's very low compared to your price, but I'm more looking at it as what I need to do to it. I mean, well, based off the picture that I'm looking here. I mean, it's boarded up.
Yeah, I know. I get it because I didn't want all those bumps to get into it.
Roof. I mean, we're talking about siding, paint, doors, windows.
Yeah.
AC. I mean, it's gonna need a lot. I think that's gonna be a lot more than 30. I think we're looking more like 50.
No, I don't think so. No,
But I'm just looking at it. I mean, line item wise. I mean, when we start doing the math and adding it up, roof, siding, paint, AC, floors, windows, doors, baseboards, cabinets, countertops, appliances. I mean, all that's thousands, you know?
Yeah, that's what it costs.
I just don't think that can be done. I mean, because there's so much that has to be done structurally to it. I just don't see how that can be done. I mean, I think you know that. I mean, that's why you're not touching it. You know, I mean, if it was in and out, quick, easy, 25, 30 grand, I mean, you would have sent somebody over there and busted it out, you know?
No, actually, if I had one more house, smaller house there, I was trying to find one, then I could start, to have it economy of scale. Because otherwise, if I'm split between two places, then it takes more of my time.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, so if I could find one more, then, some cheap price, then I would sell it, and I would really, then that would be economy of scale, then, and it will not be that much.
Right.
Actually, I had a good Mexican crew, but they all ran away. They found grass cleaner on the other side.
See, there was a property that was just listed for sale on Nelly for 30,000. So if you were looking at it from the economy of scale, I mean, you could have bought that one for 30.
No, I didn't look. I skipped that. I didn't tell you that.
Yeah. I mean, I think we're in the same boat, you know. I mean, like you said, you want to buy it at a good price. I need to buy it at a good price. It has to be a reasonable price because I mean, realistically, everything in that house needs to be rehabbed, you know.
Yeah. So if you could, okay.
So I mean,
can we meet midway?
Midway at 25.
Okay. 27 or more likely.
I told you I like that number 25 at the beginning of the conversation. That sounded very enticing to me. $27 sounds like I'd have $2,000 less money to do rehab.
Yeah, but again, look at the potential profits, and you have to look at that. And then even if you want to rent it out, it's the same thing. And this is much better prospects. And because this area never flooded, so that's another advantage. Like in 2016, there were a lot of floods, but it never flooded. So this was a very safe area.
Yeah. I say we do the deal at 25,000 and we both go enjoy our Halloween nights.
Give me a day.
A day?
Yeah, give me a day to think and discuss with my folks.
Who you got to discuss with?
My other counterparts, let me discuss that.
Oh, man, I thought we were ready to do this.
No, I'm not ready to do it. Okay, give me about 1 hour.
1 hour?
Yes, sir.
25 minutes.
If you do 27, yeah.
So if I do 27, you'll say yes? Oh.
Yes.
So 27, you don't have to discuss with the counterparts. 25, you do.
Yeah, but
I got kids and I got to go buy all this candy. Have you seen how expensive candy is this year?
yeah, everything is gone expensive actually.
I know. Why do you think everything's so expensive?
Everything has gone up in price. I mean, the milk bottle what you used to buy for under $2, that's now under $3.39. I mean, the apple for example, I never paid more than $1 a pound. Now those are more than $2 a pound. So so everything has gone up.
I know. You know what else has gone up? Cost of materials. That's why I can only give you 25.
Cost of material, yes, and that's thanks to President, ex-president.
Yeah.
He imposed all the duty on Canadian timber, and so immediately 40% duty, and immediately house prices started shooting up.
Yeah. All right. How about this? Who do you need to call to do this deal at 25?
Okay, give me a few. Okay, give me 25 minutes. Okay.
25 minutes. That's $1,000 a minute. Just letting you know. All right, I'm gonna call you back in 25 minutes.
Okay.
Hey, but just so you know, if I call you back in 22 minutes, that means my offer is 22,000. Better hope I don't call you in 1 minute. All right, I'll call you back in 25 minutes. Okay.
So if you call me next week, will you free even?
Yeah. If I call you right back, don't answer. You're definitely not gonna like the offer. All right, Mr. Khan, I'll call you back in a few. Okay. All right, bye-bye.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Khan,
Yes, sir.
what did the powers to be say to my $25,000 offer?
Yeah, I consider your numbers, and I came up with my own math. That suppose the cost of funding for a year at 6% is about 1,500. Taxes 300, and then insurance about 700 because I don't pay full insurance. I take all these certain insurance. So if I wait for a year and make 27, I'm not achieving much. On the other hand, I can make you an offer.
Oh, you're making me an offer.
Yes, sir.
Ooh.
You start building on this one. Don't pay me right now. Once your house is ready, you sell it and then share the profit. Say maybe I take 25% in addition to this 25. You are not investing anything right now except the cost of construction. So I'm making money. You are making money. Both of us making money.
Some might call this like a reverse novation. We could call it like the reverse subnovation. We could get rich off of this. We could go on all the podcasts and we could tell everybody. They would pay us tens of thousands of dollars for coming up with a new strategy of just using the same thing that everybody has always done, and we'll call it reverse subnovating. This is amazing. You just came up with $1 billion idea. You know what we'll do? We'll sell hats, not with peace signs, but with a thumb sign. Thumbs up. And we'll call it reverse subnovating. I like your idea. However, what happened to my $25,000 offer? Why didn't you like that?
Okay, when can we go ahead with that?
I want to send you a contract right now.
Okay. Okay.
All right. I need your email. Hold on one second. What?
Okay. Okay.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Khan.
Who is the closing attorney you use here? Or you use?
I have a transaction coordinator on my team that they know that it'll be on the contract, so I'll make sure that we put it on there. I don't know off the top of my head.
I usually use self-extractor.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Khan. Bye bye. Boom.